What up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Check it out, we're out here in LA at another little meetup, Monday night meetup. Check it out, let me know what you guys think. Sick ass C8 right here. Slammed. Look at how slammed that is. That thing is really nice wrap, nice matte wrap. We got a Camaro right here, SS. Sick with it. We got people setting up in their stands, mini pigs. Let me know what you guys all think. We got tons of cars here, everywhere you can think. Honda. Look at that Infiniti Slam. That's it. Sick with it. That's dope. Such a dope shot, huh? Carbon fiber mirrors. There's his Instagram right there. Get at him if you guys ever want to meet up with the meets. Really sick with it. Got the Hot Wheel setup. What's up, everybody? What up? How's it going, dog? Everything good? Like the setup. Yeah. Just got out here from San Diego, bro.
Oh, from San Diego?
Yeah.
You went to the Big Bang?
Yeah, I go to the Big Bang, and then I like to come to the ones up here. They're more lively and shit.
A little bit.
They're sick. I want to go to like the Origins. Yeah.
We get the fucking lights on that.
Sick, huh? It's a Charger, 4-door. Yeah, sick, huh? Friday the 13th. That's dope. I'll be back in Matthew in a minute, brother. Alright, dog. Got a little Civic SI. Look at all the whips out here. Let me know what you guys think. RSX, another little Acura, or what is it? Yeah, little Acura. We got everybody with their merch out here. Got all the Hot Wheels. Hey, you guys have any O2 Camaros? No, that's a hard one. It's a hard one. What up, puppy? Hi, puppy doggy. Check out this husky. Hey.
You made it out, buddy?
Yeah, how you doing, dog?
Yeah,
Chilling, you guys? Yeah, how was the day? How was the weekend?
good.
Yeah, you got the setup. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. What was that?
5.5 grams.
How much?
The last of the show. $30. Selling it for
20? How much is it?
5 grams.
20? Maybe a minute, I'll come back to the food. I'll come back in a minute. Check out homemade setup. Still see Cartel. Say what up, Pete. That's it. What up, dog? Ooh, we got the rug guys out here. Check it out. Yeah, I guess I could get it for 20 bucks, 35. Swaggy hot dogs right here. Check it out. It's pretty lit out here.
I can figure your ass out too.
Got a nice scat pack with that Nardo gray. I like that. Sick. We got this badass Camaro wide body, Lambo doors.
It's rap.
There's the Insta right there. My Los Mero. Sick with it. This is G'd up to the beat up. Let me know what you guys think. Check it out. Like in the comments. Share. Sick. Dirty. We got some forged carbon right here. Forged carbon on this hood right here. Looks dope. I don't know if the whole hood's like that or what. SRT8. Got an SS Camaro. Got our Jeep, SRT8. This is bad. I like this right here. I saw homie mobbing up in this on the highway. CTSD, and it has some sick rims. It's sitting real pretty too. I like the stance on it. Pretty sick stance. Let me know what you guys think. We got all kinds of cars out here in LA. This shit gets packed. Like, this is a big lot. You have no idea. And we have cars for days. Lexus slammed to the ground. I'll have the full video on let me know what you guys think. I like that color on this SS, that blue like that. Sick with it. Got a lot of sick whips rolling on up. Check out the Instagram, John Leyba 3071 on YouTube, and my Instagram is john.leyba.1. We got a lot of sick whips out here. Everybody rolling on up. Got the Beamer. Check out, we got the little drift Supra right here. Check it out. Nice. Yeah, okay. Thanks, dog. How's it going, bro? Good to see you guys. Nice, nice. We got a lot of whips out here. Benzos, Beamers, Camry, everything you can think of. Trying to see if I could link up with who else came from the club over here.
How you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Good.
You have weed gummies? Or what?
Yeah.
You don't have any mushroom?
Dude.
Is it good? Like,
It's pretty good, yeah. We got gummies and chocolate bars.
yeah,
The chocolate bar's better on the gummies.
yeah, and then I mean, how many will I have to take? To, like I used to be able to get shrooms and I would take like 2 grams and I would actually trip. Nowadays when I get some from people, I barely like feel it sometimes.
Yeah, no, this is what they look like. This is 3.5 grams in the bar. I would take 4 squares. And I have a pretty high tolerance. And I
Yeah.
feel it. And it's
And how much is the bar like that?
40.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come check you guys in a
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah.
I'll be back in a minute for sure. Nice, nice, sick, bro. Fuck yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Check that out. This is dope. Mopar, baby. 392. I like the way he has the front diffusers like that. Back bumper with the rear diffuser. Sick with it. Revenge never solved anything. Karma will. Then we got this bad boy right here. Sick with it. Scat Stephanie Ford. Got all the bikes out here. You know what it is. Fuck you. Got Gixxer, sick.